Today will be a nice little short lesson. We're talking about one-to-one functions. It's the highest type of function that we have in math. So, a function is one-to-one if no two elements in the domain of f correspond to the same element in the range of f. In other words, each x in the domain has exactly one image in the range. In other words, your x's can't repeat, and now your y's can't repeat. So, this is a little Venn diagram. Remember, we started with the universe. That's what this is called. That means everything can be paired. Now, once we pair things, some of them become functions. And some of those relations that are functions are also one-to-one functions. So here we can repeat. In the red, the x's can't repeat. And in the yellow, the x's and y's can't repeat, right? So we just went up the ladder. The easiest way to do a one-to-one function with a picture is the horizontal and vertical line test. So, in other words, when you were in Algebra 1, we did, is this a function? We dropped a vertical line. No, this is not a function. So, it cannot be a one-to-one function if it's not even a regular function. So right here, if I were to ask you, is this a relation, a function, or a one-to-one? This is simply a relation. That's a pairing of numbers. Okay, let's move over to this one. Is this parabola here a function? Well, yes it is, because no matter where I draw this line, it only crosses once. Now here's the beauty. Let's turn this into a horizontal line. That's how you test for a one-to-one function. It has to pass both the vertical and the horizontal line test. It fails the horizontal line test. You see what happens right here? This y value repeats twice, but what's more obvious right here, we'll take this y value right here. See how it repeated? If I inputted a -3, out came a 0. If I inputted a +3, out came a 0. So here, while the x's don't repeat, unfortunately our y's repeated. So this is just a regular function. It isn't our highest one-to-one function. So let's move this line over here, and let's test our last picture. Is this a function? Sure enough, it passes the vertical line test. No x's repeat. Let's turn this into a horizontal line. Does it pass the horizontal test? Yes, the pink and the green only intersect 1 at any spot, so this is our highest one-to-one function. So that's how you do it visually. You simply just pass the vertical line and the horizontal line. It has to pass both in order for it to be a one-to-one function. In a mapping, we're just going to have to look. This is, let's see, 1 pairs with D, 2 pairs with B, 3 pairs with A. X's don't repeat, Y's don't repeat. This is a one-to-one function. Remember now, it's also a function, it's also a relation, but we give it its highest title. How about here? 1 goes with D, 2 goes with B, 3 goes with C, and 4 goes with A. So if I were to do that, I've got no x's repeating, no y's repeating, so this too is a one-to-one function. This last one, 1 goes with D, 2 goes with B, 3 goes with C, and 4 goes with C. This is not a one-to-one function because I have my y values that are repeating. However, if I look closely, my x values are not repeating, so this is simply a function. All right, between these last two tables right here, let's look. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. No x's repeat, so it is a function. Let's check out those y values. 5, 3, 4, 7, oh, 4. So this is not a one-to-one function. It's simply a function. How about this table right here? 3, 4, 5, 4. Wait, this isn't even a function. So there's no reason to check for a one-to-one function. That's in the hierarchy, right? Think about sports. You play junior high, everybody plays. You get to JV, everybody plays, but some of the better players get more time, and then varsity, the best of the best play. It's kind of what's going on here. Relation is a junior high. Everybody's a relation. JV is the next level. It's a function. And the highest varsity is a one-to-one function. So this right here, since it's not a function, is a relation.